So the gardening kits are really simple. They are the gardening bag with all the tools in them. And one of the things I thought would be great, since Star Community already does a lot with the greenhouses, would be continuing that gardening aspect into the home right now, as you guys are doing a lot of virtual or remote supports, getting them to understand what to do in the garden. And even right now, like you can do some in-home gardening with growing some things inside. You can do some things to prep for the spring and start talking about the gardening tools, what they're used for. So that will be one of the first things I would do with the gardening kit is either virtual, remote, or whatever type of support you're going to do, is talking about the different tools and what they're for, and going over that and getting them out and having them use those tools outdoors, at home, and then start looking at the spring. Some things that you could do in the spring would be using those tools to actually start a home garden, planting, tending to it by weeding, all that kind of stuff, making sure everything is ready to go for the spring as they want to grow vegetables or flowers at home. So that's a good start. It's one of the things that I love the most because I have a small greenhouse at home. I love to garden. So I'm going to do a lot of videos about different gardening things that you can do. I just wanted to get a little introduction of some things you can do right now during the wintertime is more go over the tools in that gardening kit and getting them to use them. The hands-on experience is really number one, making sure that they feel comfortable using them and know how to use them.